Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Feast Magic. Today we are making a delicious and flavorful prawn brinjal curry, also called jinga bengan curry. Let's get started. First, make sure your prawns are cleaned and deveined. Now marinate them with a little turmeric and salt and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the marinated prawns and cook them just for a few minutes. Once they are partially cooked, remove them into a bowl. Don't forget to save the stock. In the same pan, add a bit more oil. Then add some curry leaves, 2 to 3 slit green chilies and 1 chopped onion. Saute until the onion turns translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute till raw smell disappears. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. Mix all well. Now add your brinjal pieces. Then pour in 2 cups of hot water and stir gently. Next, add the partially cooked prawns along with the stock. Cover the pan and let everything cook together for a few minutes until the flavors blend. For extra taste, you can drizzle a little ghee on top. This is totally optional. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. And that's it. Your tasty prawn brinjal curry is ready to serve hot with rice or chapati. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification for more easy and tasty recipes. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. You can connect me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.